Hi guys, welcome back to another one. Today, I just came back from the shops. I bought two more. This is not going to be like the other videos. Okay, it's done. This one is going to be, you're going to see the whole progress of putting up the shelf and everything. So we got two of these. There's the one, there's the other one. So first thing, I'm going to clean my room and everything. So what I'm going to do with the shelf, you're going to see at the end. This is just a little something with it to do, but you're going to see at the end. So I'm just going to move everything so that I can make the holes and everything, and so that we can get started sharp like that. Okay, so this is now the clean. I'm going to take this off and polish it so you can see there's like dust on. So that's what I'm going to do now, and you're going to see it. Okay, now I'm doing that. Okay, now we're going to put the first shelf on. Okay, thinking over the day. Yeah. Okay, where's my pocket knife? There. Safety first, remember, safety first when you do this. Safety first. Okay, so you cut it open. And you just do that, do that. Okay, now we are going to mark how we're going to do this. Wait, I forgot something. Yes, there it is. Okay, so you just saw how I did it. I marked the shelf alone, and then I mark the piece that a shelf goes into. So you put this by the wall, and then you take this, and then whoop, your shelf is there. So where did I put the screws again for the shelf? I will find it now. But you can see there's the one shelf and there's the other shelf. So yeah, I'm going to not time lapse, but yeah, you're going to see now. Okay, so I got this, and we're going to do now the holes. Okay, so you see I'm done doing the holes. If you're wondering, there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, yada yada yada. Now we just put these little boys in, all 8 of them, but first the first 4. So 1, and always make sure when you're doing this that it doesn't like stick out. It must be like flat with the wall. You see like this little paint that's doing this. This thing should not be like this. It should not be like a bump. And always make sure the hole is showing to you like this. Don't put it in like that. Put it in like this. Then you put it in. Do that. Then I get my other packet. Also Friday. Take those 4. Make sure you always do this, because the shelf is going to cover it, so I do it with every one, just like this one and the other one. You see, put it always like that in and push. Okay, then fill one and push. Doesn't want to go in all the way, just do that. You see now it's, this is how I always do. I don't know where. Okay, so now we're going to do the other part. So you take all of your screws, just do that. The trick is, you see the arrow must always show up. So yeah, because there's holes. So I'm just going to get the other point for the drill. Then get a battery. So the first thing you do, let me try to zoom in on that space there. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not see, but yeah. You take your screws, you do this, one there, another one there. Or if you want to make it more simple, you put it up, make sure it connects with the hole, just pop, pop. And what you do now, not all of us do it, but I do it. You take it, okay, it's equal. So this is how it would look like when you do that. And when you put that thing on, it should be equal. Cannot do it now with only one hand. So you take your other 4 screws, you do the same into that hole, in the other one, but always make sure the arrow is showing up. Yeah, on top should not be holes. Then you put that one in, and then you just take a screwdriver or a drill and just drill into it. Firstly this one, and then this one, and this one, then this one, and this one again. Okay, the first one is up. So it should be like this. I'm just quickly going to do this one, and then I will show you how to put the shelf on. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do the other one. Okay, both of them are up. 1, 2. So you can see. Now you take your shelf. Look where these holes are. The holes must be under. Like you can see there. And then you try to fit it in. It's going to take a little bit of time. Then you do this. You see? Ha! Equal. Is it equal like this? Nope, it's not. That's fine, but look at this one. This one is equal as shit. But that's fine. So it means it's like this on the wall. Just like that one. Okay. So let's do the other one. The other one. Make sure the holes are under. So turning like this. Then you take this. You see, it's easier when it's higher than you. Then you can look at the holes easy. So there, you just take that. Almost equal. Nah, it's not. It's almost. Because that is equal. You see the space. Now the other thing you do, you take these tiny screws that come with them. These tiny ones. Just don't lose them. There's that one. Just don't lose them. So you see that hole over there? You see it? That hole over there, the two. You take your mini screw and you do this. You take the one, then you take the other one because there's two holes. Then it should look like that. It should look like that. So I'm going to do this one. Then I'm going to clean up everything. And then I will get back to you guys. So I will see you guys now. Okay, I'm done cleaning up. I'm just putting everything back in the places. So yeah. This pan can go like this. A little bit like this. Yeah. Okay, now is the grand review why I have this. So, this little guy over here. I have two, but I can only place one now. So you see it's rolled up, the shelf. And then you can put the bowl like that. Wait, just a little bit of fixing. Then you can put a bowl that. I have another one, but I don't yet have the bowl for it. So for now, it's just going to stand there alone on top. So here's the one bowl, there's the other bowl. Yes. So yeah. So you saw the whole process. I'm going to end the video here now. It is a very long video, even though I did edit some, still very long. And I know it's going to be less, more 30 minutes. So please like and subscribe for more. And thank you if you're still here.